Hello guys, hello everyone. From today I'm going to start or upload Python tutorial video step by step, and I will also upload many projects in Python, and we also move toward machine learning or data scientist. If you heard about machine learning and data scientist, this is a high paying job in 1920. If you are interested to learn data sciences and Python or machine learning, you subscribe my channel and please comment below also if you are interested, or if you get any doubt in any my video, please comment below. And also if you want to learn website development, you can also subscribe my channel. I already uploaded website development video, and my team always help you and always guide you, so you can please comment below. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So thank you guys, this is the information. Every day I will upload Python tutorial, and we will also move toward machine learning or data science. If you are beginner or if you are want to learn Python, I am recommending Python is very easy to learn, and this is also high paying job in 1920, like data science and machine learning. So please connect with us and like my channel, subscribe my channel.